Dreaming of exploring the world, but worried about breaking the bank? In this video, I'll share my secrets for traveling on a budget. Let's dive in. Hack 1. Hostels and couchsurfing. Ditch the expensive hotels and dive into the world of hostels and guest houses. These budget-friendly options offer shared rooms, kitchens, bathrooms, and common areas. Perfect for meeting fellow travelers and saving cash. Plus, most hostels are often located in central locations, making it easy to find cheap activities and tours. Also, you can use hostelworld.com to find hostels worldwide. And I will leave the link in the description. Feeling extra adventurous? Try couchsurfing. It's the cheapest option, even free. Using a website called couchsurfing.com. It's a platform where you can stay with locals who might host you in their homes for an authentic experience and potentially free accommodation. When staying in hostels or with couchsurfing hosts, always respect shared spaces and local customs. This not only ensures a pleasant stay but also helps you build lasting friendships. Hack 2. Be a transportation ninja. Explore like a local. Forget taxis. Explore cities on foot or by bike for a healthy and budget-friendly option. Public transportation like buses, trains, and subways is also a lifesaver. You can download local transportation apps before you arrive. They can help you navigate the city efficiently and often provide real-time updates on schedules and routes. Feeling bold? Hitchhiking can be a thrilling and cheap way to travel in some countries. It's a great way to meet people and save money. Just remember to stay safe and trust your instincts. Hack 3. Free fun and hidden gems. Unlock the city's secrets. Enjoy the outdoors without spending a dime. Cities are bursting with free fun. Many museums offer free admission on specific days. Explore parks, gardens, and public spaces. Dive into local culture at farmers markets and festivals. Join local walking tours. Many cities offer free walking tours led by knowledgeable guides who can show you the best hidden spots and share fascinating stories about the city's history and culture. Websites like Eventbrite and Meetup can help you discover hidden gems and local events like concerts, festivals, or farmers markets for free activities. These platforms also offer personalized recommendations based on your interests, making it easier to find events that you'll love. Plus, they often feature reviews and ratings from other attendees, helping you choose the best experiences. Hack 4. Food on a budget. Eat like a king or queen. Food is a travel essential, but it doesn't have to break the bank. Indulge in delicious and affordable street food. In some Asian cities, it's easier to find cheap street food compared to European cities, which can be more expensive. My advice? Go to local markets, buy fresh produce, and cook your own meals. Many cities offer food tours at discounted prices, a great way to sample local cuisine. Look for happy hour deals at local restaurants and cafes. You can often enjoy discounted meals and drinks during these times. Also, learn basic phrases in the local language. It opens doors to hidden gems, connects you with locals, and can even help you find free food. Hack 5. Use Skyscanner. Skyscanner is a travel search engine that helps you compare prices and options from different travel providers. It helps you find the best deals on flights, hotels, and car rentals. It saves you time and money by aggregating travel options from various providers in a single platform. Set up price alerts on Skyscanner for your desired destinations. You'll get notified when prices drop, allowing you to snag the best deals. Always be flexible with your plans if you find cheaper options. Remember, the key to budget travel is flexibility, creativity, and resourcefulness. With these hacks, you'll unlock incredible adventures without burning a hole in your pocket. Now get out there and explore the world. Subscribe for more travel hacks. Share this video with your wanderlust buddies.